Hey everybody, Chris Bassett here, and I'll be showing you how to install mods on the PC version of Hytale. So I am running Windows, and installing mods is super simple. I'll put a link to the description down below, but you're just going to want to head over to CurseForge. So I just typed in CurseForge mods at Hytale. Choose the first option here, and it'll show all the available mods that you can install for Hytale. There's two ways that you can go about doing this, right? You can get the CurseForge app, you can install that, and then as you're browsing the different mods, you just hit install for the particular mod that you want, like Juan's Wonder Weapons, and that'll automatically get installed to your system, so it's all automated. I'm going to do the other version. It's a little more complicated. The app actually really simplifies things, makes it super easy. But we're going to go, you can browse. First of all, let's look at some of the things you can browse. Latest mods, you can view all. And then you can see 33, oh, my head's in the way. 3,300 projects found. So there are a ton of mods you can explore. And I'd recommend, skimming through or watching a content creator's recommendations. Some of the ones that I would recommend would be probably any of the MMO skill tree ones at a base like MMO progression style, like an RPG progression style. Those are all fun. So if you click on it, click on something that may be interesting to you. Read the comments, and you can see what everyone else is saying about it, and so that's useful information to absorb. And then as you scroll through, you can see how the mod works, what it looks like. Sometimes there'll be a video here or other descriptions. The mod creator, you can support them. You can read through all this, and then if you have problems with the mod, this is how you'd reach out to the creator and get some troubleshooting done. But once you see something that you like, you're like, hey, this looks pretty cool. I like this one. Then you can go ahead and you can install it. So let's go back. So right here, you just hit the download button. Another thing to take note of is like how many downloads it has. It's usually a pretty successful mod. So you just download, and you can see that it's downloaded really quick. You want to say yes. It will say download. Say yep. Okay, pretty simple. It's downloaded. So now we'll go back to the Hytale. So I'm back in the application. Choose a world. And then, for example, I'll just choose my creative world. Make sure you right-click. And it'll say open folder here. And here at the top, you can see creative is the last one. So this will be specifically for this world. But if you want to add the mod to your game system, go back to UserData, go to mods, and then here you can just drag and drop. Go to your downloads. Here I have the downloads, so I'm going to right click. I'm going to copy it. Then go back to the folder, UserData, mods, and then paste. Right click, and then paste. And there you go, it's in there. So that was pretty simple, pretty easy. So we'll go ahead and exit out of this. We'll go backwards. Alright, so now we'll go back to the world. Right click it, and there you can see that the mod is now available to be toggled on or off. So you can go ahead and toggle that on and off, and that way the mod is installed. So it's pretty simple. Save the world settings, and then that would be active on the world next time we go inside. So pretty simple, pretty easy, and we'll take a look at the mod when we're in there. Alright, and then it did say to type in /XP, and there we go, boys. Take a look, you got your skill overview. You can do this MMO RPG. There's a ton of different mods to explore. from cosmetics to gameplay changing mods. And I'll be going over those in some of the future videos. So, make sure you like and subscribe to the video and check out the channel. And we'll catch you in the next one. So take it easy. Have fun.